time to play the game. Time to play the game! It's all about the game, and how you play it, all about control. And if you can take it, all about your death.